Hello everyone, Anthony here from True Follicle. Today we're going through the complete process of how to use my SMP Guard. Before I break that down, let me tell you a little something here. If you don't know, the quality of work that's being produced is tending to give us all a bad name. Understanding scalp micropigmentation to its fullest has enabled me to create a tool to give our industry a facelift on reality, creating much better work in the most efficient way possible, cutting down time with increased accuracy. Now, because of this, my True Follicle SMP Guard was born. I developed this tool to help the artist create the best possible work results, repeatable from client to client. Now, the key benefits of using the SMP Guard are no more blowouts, control and limit the needle depth into the skin, uniform identical impressions, less hand fatigue, cut procedure time in most cases by almost half. Now let's get an unboxing my True Follicle SMP Guard. The moment we all been waiting for, the unboxing my True Follicle SMP Guards, and this is designed to make your work much easier. Okay, this particular machine is one of my go-tos. It's my FK Irons XO with my modified SMP grip here from True Follicle. You're going to take your cartridge, you're going to insert it into the machine or whatever machine you have of choice. Turn it clockwise, lock it into place. You're going to take the guard itself and you're going to hold it by this piece here, the guard shaft. Then you're going to put your finger right here over the top of this and you're going to slide and push down over the cartridge housing like so. And this is the proper way to set this up. Now, if your machine happens to be 4mm and you're using my needles, this is exactly the way you would set them up on this. It will slightly change depending on your machine stroke, but this is the proper way to install my SMP Guard on all cartridge housings. Now, what I want to reiterate here, when your machine is on, this surface here is designed to contact the surface of the skin. Anything that protrudes past it, that is the needle itself, is going to be inserted into the skin. So you want to make sure whatever you're going to insert in the skin, you're going to adjust this back to how much needle you want to protrude on the surface of this to go into the skin. Again, you can slide it back further, you can slide it out more, so it's fully adjustable to fit any type of machine stroke and any standard size. This is the proper way to ink with the SMP Guard on. You do not have to remove the guard. You put Vaseline down, slap the cup in there, tilt it on an angle, and this is how you ink without removing the guard. It's inked, nothing on the guard. Also, if you like to purchase a monster cup, it's even easier. Here, simply ink it, boom, you're all set. Look at this. The reason why I'm using smaller cups is because I've designed a chart for by the drop of pigment, so you're not wasting pigment. But if that was your question, you might have had a question seeing it's such little pigment. Again, you can ink without removing the guard. That's the way I designed it. It's designed to speed up everything. Remember that. Again, inking it again. There's absolutely nothing on the guard. Now that you guys see the proper way to set up my guard, I want you to try to utilize it on fake skin first before you do it on a live person. What we're going to do next is live demonstrate on a model in the next segment. This is the proper way to ease into the front of the hairline. Okay, you're going to come in here and you're going to ease back and you're going to make your little impressions. Now you're going to follow that, and as you come up, you can flatten out the machine to make a little bit more of a intense impression as you come up. So this is the proper way to do it. When you utilize it, once you get used to using the guard, this will come all start falling into place once you get used to using it, and it becomes like second nature, almost like playing a piano or an instrument. You don't even have to look almost. And the impressions look absolutely like real hair. Hope you guys will enjoy my SMP Guard like I do. I've been using it for many years. It works extremely well. It makes my work much more uniform and much faster. I hope you'll enjoy the same benefits. You guys have any questions, don't hesitate to inbox me. Follow for more info. Ciao. Me enamoré en la isla del encanto. Ciao guys.